So as you see, the Porsche is on the trailer and I'm ready to bring it to a welding shop. I found that someone still can do that. And now I already put the car on the trailer, jump in the truck, and we're going to welding. It's a Oak Brothers Garage Life with Porsche new episode. Car is already dropped at the welding shop. Unfortunately, guy didn't want that I film in the property. Welder told that he will do it actually quick. I explained what I want. Now we need to wait what's gonna happen there, and I hope that I will be back from skiing and the car will be ready. So stay tuned and we will see how this will happen. 3 days after I dropped off the Porsche at the welding shop, and I'm already going to pick it up. I am still a bit sick and I don't think so I can go and work on the Porsche because there is still cold. I want to be healthy before I need to depart to skiing, so I don't think so I will go and do something with the Porsche this week. Starting heading to pick up the car. Now I have a trailer license, so I can do all the job by myself, and this is much easier than start managing everyone's time. We have a category for trailers. Just need the truck with a tow hook and I'm ready. And I'm back from vacation already a few days ago, and I have good news that I received a big parcel. So stay tuned and watch episodes till the end and you will know what's in the box. So let's go and pick it up. Superwrap is finally arrived like a week ago on last Friday, and only now I can go to the customs. I don't know for what reason it took a week for them. I hope that I can manage all the paperwork today and tomorrow, and next week I will try the first Superwrap sprays. I'm excited to launch the product in Baltics. So don't forget to subscribe and of course follow my Instagram and see all the news about the Superwrap. So now I'm at the pickup place. We'll pick up the parcel or plastic bag, we will see. I loaded the car, and I loaded the car with the Porsche wheels. It's actually 4, another one inside, and we will unbox them pretty soon. Yeah, delivered the wheels. If you want to see a quick look. Boom. Amazing. Just did a quick stop at a garage, collected the Porsche front bumper and loaded up with the fenders. Now I'm heading to ES Engines to work on a Porsche build. I'm at ES Engines and I'm already working on the fenders. I installed the bolts, DressUp bolts. These actually are longer ones, 25 millimeters. Unfortunately, I ordered the wrong ones and I need to send them back and order another ones. They actually fit really nice They are flexible in this rubber part, so no worries if something is drilled a bit wrong, like a millimeter aside or similar, but I love them. Actually a nice solution to attach the fender flares. Second fender is installed. I need to grab a light because there is no light, absolutely. There you go. It's on. I actually can show you how the welder did the job. Glico, as always, a good idea. Put this aside. It's not that bad, but not super perfect. I think here you guys can make a bit better, but overall it's done, completed, and I think we can keep working on the fender flares. Now I need to work in this part. I need to cut in shape of the bumper, the fender. Need to make some templates. Boom. Fender flares are installed, so now I will leave them as they are here. I need to produce the side skirt in between them, about a meter cut here. You see that there's a bit overlay. Need to make another hole, attach them together. That's it for today. Let's go and check how the wheels look on the car. Woohoo! I finally received a phone call from a shipping company which should deliver the Superwrap pallet. It took a really long time. I ordered it in November before SEMA. The goodies are here. Truck arrived and Superwrap will be unloaded soon. Boom! Goodies are here. Let's unpack them, transfer to warehouse, and let's see what's in the boxes. I'm finally here in my warehouse. So as you see, we have all the colors exposed here. Brown, gold, gunmetal, onyx black, the clear, the white, black, the prep spray. Actually, the prep spray is a really nice cleaner. I absolutely loved it. So here's all others. These are all the colors what I have. All these colors are available. Just drop me a message or a direct message on Instagram, wherever. Just contact me. I will answer you as soon as possible. Now we need to try how the product actually works. I want to try it by myself because I want to feel it. How hard it is to reach a really nice, smooth result. So I think I will try my Watson wheels, my fake Watson wheels actually, to paint, and then we will see how it looks in real life. After we prepared everything, we will shake for actually a minute. Written here in instructions. I will use a black base coat. I need to spray approximately 5 layers, I think, of this. And then we will start applying the bronze color. So bronze color will be as a main color. Here you can see. Actually ready to apply the bronze color, the last 5 layers. Here you can see black. This is a base coat. Now I will start applying bronze. So I think wheel is done. Whoa, whoa, whoa! what we have here. So let's unpack it and see what's inside. It's a front panel for a turbo bumpers. They will match. Unfortunately, I need to drill front of mine because as you maybe know, the early model have welded this front panel. And this is actually a glass fiber. I think this is actually well made. Let's undrill it and try to test fit. So I fitted the bumper and the front. The solution worked. I think we need just to adjust it's super correct, because now it looks like this is a bit far out. Just fitted the wheel on the car. This wheel maybe will stay for street. Here it's fitted without any flanges, spacers. I think I will need just a few centimeters maybe with a spacer to fit my wide body. Another milestone is reached. Holes drilled, as you see, all around the car. And this is it. This is the final touch on the car before it will be delivered to the body shop. Thank you guys for watching Life with Porsche episodes. Don't forget to like, of course, if you have questions about project or Superwrap or anything else. Drop comments down below. I will answer them as soon as possible. Of course, subscribe, then you will be notified when the next episode of Live with Porsche will be on the channel. Links down below on my Instagram, links about Superwrap also below. Stay tuned, see you in next episodes.